behind you. Oh, sorry.
Hold on now. Hey guys, Chuck House of Mopar. Welcome back. Gonna go for a car cruise, car show thing in a local town around here. It's a D.A.R.E car show. The cops and the high school gotten together, and it's usually pretty well attended. Some of the guys are there, try to stake out a spot for us. I don't know how well they did, but yeah, it's usually hot as hell, and today will be the same. We had a record July. Temperatures the highest on record, and then last week we had a record low overnight in the 50s for August, and now it ought to be close to 100 a day for the next few days. So I'm taking Thelma because she likes to go to car shows too. She's running good, running well. Look at this, still laying there from the trunk. That's okay. And yeah, we'll go from there. So we'll be on our way soon. See you there. Taillights aren't so good.
Oh.
John, you just like red cars, don't you?
Yeah, I have a passion for red.
Red trucks.
Yes. It's a color of passion, you know.
We'll look at it later. I got to go for a ride last year, wasn't it?
Yeah, at the St. Rose show.
Yeah. How fast were you going coming over here?
60 mile an hour is 3,000 RPM.
Kind of like a lot of muscle cars.
But it's got a, you know, it's got a fixed fan on it, so it sounds like you're running about 9,000 RPM. Yeah, we did about 55 the whole way here.
Yeah, you guys didn't spare any. You opened that up once. I remember when you did that.
It's got my stuff in it, but yeah.
That's right.
It's dirty.
You just dirty, yeah. You guys didn't spare any.
No.
Anything. You just did it all.
We even the top has the.
Is this you?
Yes.
There you go.
Yeah, but even the top, that's all done up there.
Yeah, I remember. Look at that.
Usually I have a sign that goes in here for our car shows or whatever. I took that off.
Cool.
Yeah.
We're here. A lot of different stuff. Jeep. Is that a Jeepster? Willis something? Something else. There's a Dodge. Coupe. Businessman's coupe. That's cool. Anyway. Heat's held off so far. That's awesome. Cloud cover. Okay. Ran into our old buddy Arlen. So she's staying cool, I guess cool enough, huh, Arlen?
Oh yeah, it's not bad at all.
It's fine. It ain't that hot today anyway. Guess we're not gonna get that 100-degree day like they keep saying. Oh hey,
See?
look at that.
See?
Hey, look at there. Thank you.
That else is, once I cleaned it up, it's got a little buffy there.
That's
Buff
awesome.
marks on the
That's
middle.
awesome. Time to go. Ah, this crap they throw in your car. Nice day. It's hot, but I mean it's summer. What do you expect? Right? Anyway, I'll see you guys when we get back to the garage. See you in a minute. Hoo-wee, I'm back. Yep, that was a good time. Always good to see your friends once in a while. Usually we just see each other like for about 2 months straight, not a whole lot the rest of the year. Lots of cool cars. I like a few Mopars, a lot of weird stuff too, which I like, I dig, so throw them in there. Yeah, so this has been going on over 30 years, this D.A.R.E car show. They always take your picture. And old Arlen, I guess the car's staying cool. Of course, he isn't sitting in traffic. This would be the day. It's 95. Got me a hubcap. That's cool. Yeah. I'll hang that on the wall. I got one for the satellite, too. Those are cool. Anyway, that's it. Thanks so much for coming. Just another, what we're doing right now. All right, boys. See you next time. Thanks.